I decided to do a video about another issue not often presented here. One of the reasons I bought a Gerber StrongArm fixed blade knife was how highly its sheath was rated. But since then, I never thought the provided sheath was complete without a utility pouch, similar to that on my stock K-Bar BK7 knife sheath, as illustrated here. See, this has its stock sheath. It's kind of a cheap sheath, but it's decent. It's good enough, and it's got this pouch, and that pouch has proven rather handy. So let's see, bring this over here, and I did some searches, including YouTube videos of other suggestions, and tried some pouches until I settled on the Condor MA32 as the best alternative. It's moderately priced and appears to be made of decent materials. The coyote brown colors match pretty well, as you can see, and the black zip ties I used on the back here coordinate pretty well with the black accents of the knife. The item codes are here. I'll just move this out of the way. Here's the Condor MA32 498. I think the 498 designates the coyote brown color. And here's the zip tie bag. They call them cable ties, but like a lot of other people, I just call them zip ties. Same thing, basically. So let's put this back over here. What's nice about this pouch is that it has 4 horizontal MOLLE straps. I don't know if you can see it pretty well enough, but here's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. A lot of these pouches only have 2 or 3, so that was one advantage of this, and one reason I chose it. The pouch is meant for pistol mags. Of course, this is a knife, so I'm not going to use a pistol mag in the sheath. I suppose I could, but I'm not going to. But you can fit, a sharpener in there, like this sharpener goes right in here, and a lot of room there. And here's a box of strikerless, or actually strike anywhere matches. That fits in there too, nice and snug. But as you can see, there's a problem with this pouch. It's not perfect. As mentioned in a review, these sides don't come up very high. So the problem is that this won't support shorter items unless they fit snugly. As far as width, like I said, this box of matches, this fits pretty snug, so I don't think it would fall out. But that's a drawback. If you put a ferro rod in there, even a 6-inch ferro rod, that could get kind of precarious. So that's one consideration. The pouch isn't perfect. Now, as far as assembly, the first thing you do is you remove the pouch's back strap that came with it. And here, this is the back strap. This goes behind the MOLLE straps, and it snaps on. And what's really easy is that, thankfully, you just unsnap and slide it out. I think some pouches these straps might be sewn in, but this one, it just snaps right out. Next, you string the zip ties through the bottom. What you do is you start, let's see here. You start on the second from the bottom lashing hole, and you string the zip tie through this, and then you string that through the back of the third to bottom or the second to bottom MOLLE strip, and then you go along and up through here on the top, and then you thread that through the top lashing hole, and you secure it, and it fits quite snugly. And the MOLLE's webbing is such that you can secure the pouch tightly. I think I already said that. And it's not going to come off because you can tell, I mean, this thing is tight. So it's a good clean job. And that's one reason I did it this way. You know, it looks kind of nice. I suppose one thing I should mention is that you could string the zip tie through the bottommost MOLLE strap, but I chose not to. I think you've got more stability through this one, and this might bring this down. And I just chose to do it on the third to the bottom MOLLE strap. The other thing is that this pouch or this sheath comes with accessories, you know, the belt, and then it's got this horizontal knife carry part. And the thing about this technique that I've done here is that the way this works is that you take this out of here, okay, and this isn't there. You take it out and you put it on the back, and because these zip ties are flexible, they bend down, and then you can just simply stick this in, and it doesn't interfere. You know, and I think that's important. I mean, I'll never use this horizontal belt carry piece, but it's still available if I want to use it. So that's kind of nice too. And I should mention that if you notice the way I set up these tie gathers, if you do this yourself, I'd recommend you put them down a little more so it doesn't interfere with this ridge. It's on both sides, but that's a minor point, and you can get too picky about things. So anyway, it's just a nice setup, and it doesn't break the bank. And it looks nice. So by adding this pouch, I improved what's generally already considered a decent stock sheath. That's the bottom line here. So that's it. Thanks for watching.